For this video, the role model that I want to describe is Mr. Yuan Longping, who was born in China and has made great contributions. Mr. Yuan was born poor, but his parents were both involved in education. This gives Mr. Yuan more opportunities to get to know each other. That's how he met his lover. Well, his road to study was also very hard. During the anti-Japanese War, Mr. Yuan changed schools several times as the government moved, and the longest stay was 21 years in Chongqing. When Mr. Yuan was in middle school, he participated in some swimming competitions and won many first prize and a second prize at the provincial level. In 1950s, he was merged into the newly built Southwest Agricultural College in Chongqing due to the adjustment of Chinese institutions of higher learning. Finally, I would like to mention that Mr. Yuan also participated in the pilot test of the Air Force. The following is about his scientific journey. In the years when the country suffered famine, Mr. Yuan saw such a tragic situation and was deeply stimulated, so he devoted himself to the research road of food production. He discovered a rice plant with several characters through field experiment. He used a string of rice tried to plant and found that the progeny had different properties. Since rice is self-pollinated and doesn't have character separation, he deduced that it should be natural hybrid rice. Then he tried to create a hybrid by artificially removing the male flowers of the rice plant, which were both androgynous, and feeding them with pollen from another variety. On July 5, 1964, he found a natural male sterile plant in the experimental rice field. After artificial pollination, hundreds of seeds of the first generation male sterile plants were produced. In July 1965, he checked 6 sterile rice plants from more than 40,000 rice ears one by one, and in the following 2 years of sowing, a total of 4 plants successfully propagate for 1 to 2 generations. His research completely overthrew the theory of asexual hybridization by Michelin and Lensko, and he concluded that the rice also has the advantage of hybridization. The yield of hybrid rice can be greatly improved by breeding male cereal lines, male cereal maintainer line, and male cereal roaster line. Mr. Yuan Longping is a very respectable expert. He once said a sentence, translates into English is, as a scientist, they cannot be infatuated with authority or books, or proud of self because of a little achievement on their complacent. Science is no bounds. Only by exploring and innovating them we can achieve results. Which means his selfless dedication, indifferent to fame and wealth, and his perseverance are all worthy of my learning. Although Mr. Yuan has passed away, but the spirit will inspire us generation after generations.